derivation and what are the different types of derivations we have, that is leftmost derivation and rightmost derivation. So in this lecture we will see what is meant by decision tree. Decision tree is nothing but it's a graphical representation which we use for representing derivations. Okay. So this is just a graphical representation. So we already saw what is meant by left derivation or how to do that, and what is the other one, that is right derivation. So if you represent them in graphical form, then that representation is nothing but the derivation tree. So here this derivation tree is also called as sparse tree. Okay, so I think, see, you already have idea regarding what is meant by a tree and what are the different terminology we use or different terms we use in tree. So if this is your tree, so this is nothing but the root node, right? So these are the internal nodes and these are the leaf nodes. So this thing we already studied while studying data structures. Whereas here this root node is nothing but the start symbol. So in our grammar there we use some terms like start symbol, okay, etc. So that start symbol is usually represented in the root node here. Whereas these internal nodes, they are used for representing non-terminal symbols. Okay. Non-terminals are represented in the internal nodes, whereas these leaf nodes, they are used to represent terminals. So these terminals, okay, all these leaf nodes. So if we concatenate leaf nodes in the given tree, then it gives you string of terminals. So say suppose I have tree like this, 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you concatenate them, you will get string like this, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or else you can have a string in form of alphabets also. So A, B, C, D. Like that. So that concatenation or this string of terminals, it is called as yield of tree. Okay, what is meant by yield of tree? Concatenating leaf nodes in the given tree. It produces string of terminals. That string of terminals is called as yield of a tree. So this is some brief description about derivation tree. Let us solve some problems based on this in our next video.